Alright guys, so it is the next day. Just got off work, came to hang out with a few friends, and he's gonna take some photos of the truck. Got Taryn. We just got done with the little photo shoot of the truck. More people showed up. Yeah, I'm just waiting until it gets a little bit darker so you can take more pictures. Truck looks pretty dirty, but it looks pretty tight.
Yeah, I gotta clean out my car too.
Sucks.
So does yours.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you don't have one.
Oh, guess what?
Yeah.
There we go.
Sick. Now that it's dark, I'm Devin over here taking some photos. I have my Sprite, so can't put the camera backwards. Chinese, stupid.
Well, you guys didn't say that.
Come on, bro.
Shut up.
Hey, let me get the breeze before you. Here,
It's gonna die soon.
I have.
I have.
So we're trying to get light for the truck.
You sell
At
lemons?
Taryn's car. Goals. Trying to help. What's up, guys? So I think I learned a new trick. It involves a heat gun and messed up plastic like this. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get it back to the original black. I tried a little bit here. It worked a little bit, but let's see if this works. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is the heat gun I'm using. It's just like a random one from my Harbor Freight. But what they said is you're supposed to just go like this. Oh, it's actually working. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, check this out. So this is before, and that's after, just one little coat. Look at that. So that's after, that's before. That's pretty crazy. I'm gonna try to knock out this whole side right now. Just like that. One side is done. So this is before or after. And look at that. Top view. Alright, so let's do this side. I'm gonna knock this side out real fast. I'm gonna show you guys the end product. So that is done. That is super crazy. Look at that. Next I'm gonna do this and this. But I want to show you guys firsthand on how it looks when it does it. So let's go. Boom, just like that. A fresh looking bumper. This is dope. I wanna try this. So you guys see this? First hand. Now let's try to get it done. Alright guys, so honestly, I really didn't think anything was really happening. I tried it. And I said, you know what, let me just try in the middle. And dang, look at that. That's crazy. Or, there's after. I tried it on the door handle, or the tailgate. Really didn't work, but I'm just still loving this bumper. So let's get to this one. Update. This is so satisfying to do. Just finished it. You just take a look back. I'm like in love with it again. Oh, I just stepped on my juice. Oh, and I broke my bottle. Well, I'm in love. Alright, now I want to try my door handles because it's so satisfying to do. Door handles really didn't work. I tried to do this, but I'm just gonna have to get a new cover. Those aren't that much, so luckily they're only like 50 bucks. Biggest things I wanted to do. Alright guys, so let's do whatever we're doing after. Montage of the truck, let's go.
They know the bait was suicide. Too deep when I ride. Ruby getting out for the pills that I supply. The screws are bound, flat tires, and a 06 Chevy Sending that chopper right at your face, and after that I go blank. Cause looking at off the hinges with syringes shooting up my veins. Rather be left alone, I don't care to know your name.
And all I'm using is a heat gun. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys soon and peace out. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.